Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm going to talk about GRI Multi VRF, short for GMV, the noise troubleshooting. During this presentation, I will show you the typical noise of the outdoor unit and indoor unit. And also, I will offer you how we handle this noise in China domestic market, just for your reference. And for better understanding and for better listening, I recommend to wear the earphones, and also you need to listen carefully. This presentation divides into these 5 parts. I put the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your convenience. China domestic market, the maintenance data analyzed. And this is the data from China domestic market for GMV Mini and Slim series, which is basically for household use. And you can find that we divided the maintenance into different types of it. And from this data, you can also find that first is concentrated, which means the top 5 A, B, C, D, E occupy up to 62%. And the first one, the compressor low frequency noise complaint, occupy up to about 1/4. The second point is that after we summarize all the noise problem, you can find that we summarize the A, B, C, H, I, J, and find that the noise problem occupy high proportion. It's up to 54%, which means all the complaint, about half of it, they belong to the noise problem. So we also focus on this one. The first thing we need to do is we need to do the classification, which means we need to divide the noise into different parts. And for the indoor unit, and just consider the inside structure and the components, we divide it into different noise, which is the fan motor, and also including the fan brake, and the structure, water pump, and air blowout, and the refrigerant system, which means the refrigerant flow inside the heat exchanger, and also it may making noise. And the last is the electromagnetic noise. Also, similar to the outdoor unit, we also divide it into the compressor. In this one, we divide it to low and high frequency. And the fan motor, and also the structure, basically it is the panels and pile lights. And also the electromagnetic noise and the refrigerant system. And the last is the resonance, which means the compressor and the fan motor. Here is the noise troubleshooting preparation. And where we hear the noise complaint from the customer, and here is the thing you need to collect and prepare. The first is the information, and you need to ask the customer when and how this noise occurs. Is there any repeat pattern, or how does it feel, or is there any recall of this noise from the customer? And also including how the customer set the fan speed and also the setting temperature, which means how they set this indoor unit or outdoor unit. After that, you need to do is the initial identification, divided into either it is the resonance or mechanical noise, and also the refrigerant flow noise. And after that, based on this one, on the side, you need to do a double check and also repeat this noise, and also to do the identification again. And I will give you a reference is that in China domestic market, we find that for the noise complaint, about 70% is due to the poor installation. And here is the material you need to prepare for this noise troubleshooting. First is the parameter checking tools. You can use the portable debugger, or you can connect with your PC and check the operating parameter directly here. And the next is the material. The first is the damping pump, and next is the sponge, and this is the gasket. Basically, this is for the fan motor, and later I will show you how to use this one. And the last is the flocking close. This is especially for the parts when they contact together. Also, I will show you later.